Here we are. All right, good morning. Here we are, starting off. Running a little late, had a detour on the freeway, so we're running late, but got it all set up. Here's the setup, the rig. We're ready to go. Let's go warm up. I got to get warm. They changed the route this year, so we're gonna start off up the hill, run 1.5 miles or 1.5 kilometers, turn around, and run it back down the hill. So, woohoo! Let's go. Okay, wow, it's warm. We got out of the truck, it was 95 degrees. So, it's warm. I don't know if I'm warming up or not, but I gotta get over there to the start line. They're already talking about it. Okay, let's go. Remember, show up early when you come to these. This is an awesome triathlon. Jeremy does a great job with it, great race director. If you're gonna do a tri, this is the try to do. Woo! Come on, let's go.
Can't do it without our volunteers. So big thanks to all of them for being out here and working hard yesterday and early this morning before you got here. Ladies and gentlemen, we're 50 seconds away from your start. 50 seconds, 50 seconds. Thirty seconds. 15 seconds. Make sure you go 3 of the cones on the run, folks, or you will not be timed for your start. Make sure you run 3 of the cones off the start. 5, 4, 3, 2, go!
Go, John! Go get him, buddy.
Make sure you make it through the cones. Don't worry, your time will not start until you hit those cones. You're not losing anything. Nice, easy start. Anthem Sprint Triathlon.
Go, Papa! Go, Papa! Good job! Go, Papa! Here's Papa! Here's Papa! Yay! Papa! Woo-hoo, Papa! Woo-hoo! Go, Papa! Hey, look at me. Go, Papa! Yay! Ring him. Ring the bell. Go, Papa! Go, Papa! Go! Go, Papa! Mom, I'm gonna follow him in. Let's go! Two down, you only got 1 to go.
How many in front?
You got it.
How many in front?
You're in front?
How many in front?
Oh, probably 3. You've been swimming like a fish. You got this. Be confident. This is what all that hard work goes into. KT, Papa.
Look at this, Papa. Go, Papa, go swim.
KT.
You got this, Papa.
You got it.
You got it, Papa. There goes Papa.
Yeah, see, that's trying.
Go to the side or something.
Yeah. It's literally stuck. And so
Go to the side.
Watch where you're swimming. Watch where you're swimming.
You got it, Dad. Kill him in the next one. Kill him in the next one.
You got it, John. You got it. Push it, push it, push it.
Take your time. Take a breath. Take a breath.
Push it, push it.
Regroup.
John, give it your all.
Regroup. You got it. You've been practicing. Great. Yes.
Last one, Brooke. Go, Kappa.
Push, push, push. Finish it. Finish it, finish it. There you go, all the way, baby. Holy smokes, I don't know how you did it.
Wow.
Good job. I love you.
Come to the side, guys.
You tell your best guy.
Look at his shirt. He'll cool you off.
Let's go, Cody!
Papa will cool you off.
Well, finished up. Results are coming in. I don't know. I had a tough week this week, so Wednesday came down with some kind of cold thing. Thursday, could barely breathe, just came home and pretty much laid down, relaxed. Didn't do anything yesterday, so came in this morning feeling pretty good, but boy, on the third lap of the bike, I really felt my power starting to go down. So we'll see. We'll see how it came out. Pushed. I got everything I had for today. So, woohoo! Again, this is awesome. Awesome facility. The roads are super great for the bike. The run, I'm not gonna lie, it was pretty tough running that uphill. And then I really took advantage of that downhill on the way back. So I think I'm gonna give a thumbs up to the new race course and or the new running route, I should say. And I don't know, we'll see. I hate to say it, but I think I was really hauling down that hill, and I did get the bike tuned up. I got the bike tuned up and a new chain, but I was going so fast, I literally coasted a few times on that long downhill, so just because I was afraid to go any faster. So I don't know, we'll see the results. All right. Woo. The shade. Yay.
Oh, Papa.
Give a thumbs up. Give a thumbs up.
Can you give high five?
Oh, high five.
Give Papa high five.
Great job.
No. And with a winning time of 1:16:24.7, Wade Rowe.
All right, guys. So third place.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Great job, Daddy.
3/10 of a second.
In between, yeah.
In between. Well, we'll get them next time. We got a glass though, so let's go fill it up. Get a brewski.
Woo! They're 30.
You're 30. KP, running for those who can't, and Grandpa Life. Woohoo! And this has been Training with Johnny Shots. Woo.